And well, it's a day after the Delhi High Court overturned a ban on consensual sex between two same-sex adults, and it's now the turn of the Indian government to discuss a landmark ruling. The Home Minister, the Health Minister and the Law Minister, in fact, meeting in Delhi earlier this evening. So far, petition to change the 1861 law has been rejected by the Indian government, but yesterday's ruling came after 9 years of legal proceedings initiated by the Indian gay community and certain Delhi-based NGOs. Under the current law now, homosexual sex is punishable up to 10 years in jail, and there is, of course, simmering anger amongst the conservatives who believe that the ruling is a crime against nature.
It is not a group of ministers meeting. It's only three of us because of varied views taken by Health Ministry one side and Home Ministry and also Law Ministry before the High Court. Prime Minister has chosen to ask three of the ministers to sit and take a view. So we are going to analyze it. We analyzed it now. We reflected on the judgment. Now we are going to submit a note to the Prime Minister.
इसको हम बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते। इसको इस्लाम ने किसी का तरह गवारा नहीं फरमाया है। ये जायज़ किसी हाल में नहीं है। फतवा हमने दिया कि ऐसा करना जायज़ नहीं। मर्द के मकाम पर रहेगा, औरत के मकाम पर रहेगा।
And Nikunj is now joining us live on this big story. Nikunj, really, the government has been soft peddling on the Delhi High Court's decision so far, but the ball is in their court because they will also have to keep in mind the sentiments of the gay community, perhaps on the one hand, but the conservatives who are already being very vociferous about this ruling.
Very true, Harishi. The crisis is that only, on the one side you have the conservatives who have clearly indicated that they would surely move Supreme Court of India challenging this ruling of the Delhi High Court. On the other hand, there is a community which very strongly feels that there is no reason to brandish them as criminals just because one archaic law of 1867 says so. So it's a tightrope walking for the government of India. That is why the three most crucial ministries regarding as far as this particular judgment is concerned, their heads met just 5 odd minutes back. The Health Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad, Law Minister Veerappa Moily, chaired by the Union Home Minister P. Chidambaram. Now, as Mr. Moily was saying, that since it is not a group of ministers, empowered group of ministers, so to say, they are not in a position to take a judgment on their own, but surely they have decided to submit a report, a note to the Prime Minister's office, the Prime Minister himself, and from there on, the Government of India can take a view, which then, when the case comes up in Supreme Court, would be presented as a united view of Government of India, Harish.